So I was just looking at some of my Washingtonia robustas, and I could see some dark spots, and I thought they were just spots on it. And because this one was in a big crowd of many, it's the only one with spots, and it's actually, if you look, some shininess, and it's actually scale. So I am taking some rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips, and I'm just gonna wipe them off and get rid of it and just kind of monitor it. It's just so odd that it's just one out of all of those, but hopefully I'll take care of this right away. At least it's not spider mites yet, which is, I'd rather have this than spider mites. So I just spent the last 10 minutes taking all of these, all the scale off. I used Q-tips and I just went across this plant. So hopefully it's in good shape. Now I've got to go check all my other palms for it. And these are just my upstairs indoor ones. And right now, I don't really see any, but I'm gonna do a big check to make sure, because if they're on one, they're probably on the others. So now that I've hand removed all the scale I can find, I'm going to put these in the shower here, because this is an old shower, a bathroom we don't use. I'm going to spray them with horticultural oil and hope that that stalls it for a while, and just keep checking them so that they can make it through to the spring. So it's been a couple days. I haven't seen anything on any of them, and I know that doesn't mean anything. I really need to wait a week, but so far, scale free, everything's looking okay. And even on my Washingtonia filifera, however you say this, I had a few on it. I don't see any now. It's just so funny that the date palms, the bottle palm, my queen palms, I think that's what that is. I have to look and see. I'm so bad about labeling things. All my other palms, nothing is affected, especially my trachycarpus, which I have many, especially in the other room. They have nothing. And I always find that the trachycarpus do perfectly fine inside, but what does not do fine inside are my Washingtonias. And so I'm going to take some of the big ones from downstairs, put them out in the yard this spring. Obviously I can't do all of these because I can't cover that many, but I will be giving a lot of these away because I just don't have room for them, and they're too difficult in the winter. So hopefully they can survive and get through the next couple of months so that we can move what I want outside. But if you look out here, I have a bit too many, I think. So I'd rather save that for some other really interesting different kinds of palms, and not just, even though I love Washingtonias, don't get me wrong, I love them, but I can't bring them inside. So please like and subscribe, and hopefully you will hear from me soon with something new.